10 tips for college students to get better grades. 1. Create a study schedule. Plan your study time and stick to it consistently. 2. Attend all classes. Regular attendance helps you grasp the material and stay engaged. 3. Take good notes. Use effective note-taking methods and review them often. 4. Know your syllabus. Understand course requirements, deadlines, and grading criteria. 5. Participate in class. Engage actively in discussions and ask questions when needed. 6. Join study groups. Collaborate with classmates to enhance understanding in exam preparation. 7. Seek help promptly. Approach professors or tutors if you need clarification or assistance. 8. Practice with past papers. Familiarize yourself with exam formats and types of questions. 9. Stay organized. Keep track of assignments and deadlines with planners or apps. 10. Maintain health. Ensure adequate sleep, nutrition, and exercise to support effective studying.